Hi guys, I have probably the most versatile and most stylish pill organizer here for you. This could be super interesting if you are interested in pill organizers. I've never seen anything like that. So what we have here, it looks like a normal pocket, so you could even carry it around. Nobody will see that this is a pill organizer if you have to take a lot of pills with you, like for a restaurant, hotel or so. Nobody will see that. It comes even with a nice zipper here all the way around, and then watch this thing here. It's absolutely amazing. This is so well organized. You have 2 times 8 means 16 different spaces for these bags. By the way, the bags are also included. They are here, so you can just take them out at home, fill them up and write on it what it is and put them where you need it. For example, here I've already filled one pocket here with 20 super large multivitamins. The pockets are so large that there would even fit many more, like 40, 60 pills into that, but of course it wouldn't be super flat anymore. So I kept it on 20 of these super large multivitamins. And so you can see we can easily push them here inside and it's still very flat. You could have them here even everywhere and it would still be flat. But we do not only have these 16 pockets, we have much more. We have one large one here, we have a large one here, large one here and another one here, 4 in total. And we have even more space here in the front. As you can see, we have these large pockets here with this nice elastic band, so you could fill more here. And there's even this one here which has even a pre-printed card for your medical information, but of course you can use it for everything. So absolutely awesome. Can be folded, unfolded so fast, so it's instantly ready for you when you need it, and then fold it and put it back in your bag or wherever you want. And with this awesome baggie system, if you have them ready maybe for a meal or so, if you are staying in a hotel, you can just take them out, put them in your pocket, and you don't have to take the whole pillow organizer with you, and so nobody will ever notice what you have with you. This is absolutely awesome. But you don't have to hide it. I mean, it's a beautiful thing. Absolutely perfect. You could even put some other things into here, maybe a little bit of cash and credit cards, so you don't have to take the whole purse with you. There's even plenty of space for a large mobile phone here inside, so you could take the whole thing with you and have everything. Nothing missing, everything just in one nice stylish pocket. So I'm super happy with it. I can give you full recommendation, and so you can buy it directly here from Amazon, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching.